Today I want to show you how to do an SEO audit with WordPress AI and the WP Vibe MCP. So I built this website with WP Vibe. It took about an hour and a half, and I want to show you how easy it is just to use AI and do a lot of stuff with your WordPress site. It makes it so easy now. Alright, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, can you please run the WP Vibe SEO audit skill? Alright, so we're going to run this and let's see what happens here. We don't have any SEO plugins installed right now. We're going to go ahead and allow this. Alright, so I have 4 sites listed here, and I'm going to select WP Vibe. Okay, so it sees I don't have an SEO plugin installed. And we're continuing to check alt tags for our images. And now it's looking at our robots.txt and sitemap. So again, we knew this was to be expected. Let's see what it proposes. Okay, so it's written a report here, and again, we knew there was no SEO plugin installed, so it's saying high. This is high stuff we need to tackle. Then it's got medium and other stuff below. Let's see what it recommends. Alright, so it's recommending we install a plugin. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and say install a plugin. We're going to use all-in-one SEO, and we'll have it configure it. Okay, so what it did here is it installed the plugin, it's checking its default configurations for us, and then it's confirming it's installed. So now let's see what it's proposing. So now it's giving us suggestions of what we need to update. So we need a site tagline, the knowledge graph, social profiles, homepage SEO. So I'm going to go ahead and say I want to do 1, 2, and 4, and it can create the SEO optimized metadata for us. Okay, quick update here. So what it's doing is it's going through and it's setting the tagline. It's looking how it can adjust this plugin. So right now, all-in-one SEO does not ship with abilities, though I know that is coming. We limit raw SQL updates, though with the WP Vibe plugin, we'll be adding this as well, so it can have that primitive. So what it did end up finding is the REST post endpoint. So it's updating our page with that. So right now, it's going to go ahead and update our pages. It's counting the pages. It's finding the sample page. I'll have it remove that, and then I'll have it go through and update all our pages using the post endpoint, and then we'll do our custom post types. So we have docs, we have alternative custom post type, and several others. So let's see what happens. Right now it's setting up our knowledge graph, and it went and found a logo for us, and now it's looking at all-in-one SEO, how it needs to configure the knowledge graph. And again, it's keeping me updated. So it found 2 useful things. All-in-one SEO already has a set to organization, and it resolves the site title. Okay, it's done. So what it did is it installed all-in-one SEO, updated our tagline, updated all 9 pages, and our knowledge graph. It did have an issue with the logo. It tried to use a URL, but it wanted an attachment ID. So the thing I want you to understand here is even though Abilities API is not exposed, it still was able to figure out how to do this. But it is important that the plugins start exposing Abilities API so it has a set path of how to do this. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is have it do all our custom post types, and we'll take a quick look at what it created. So it's done everything, and let me show you what it did. So it found all our custom post types. It also found our custom post. It looked at all of them and then created custom metadata for all. So let's go in here and see what it actually created. So if we click edit page here, we can see that the home page does in fact have meta title and description. Let's go check a few other things here. Let's check our alternatives. So we're going to go in here for Elementor Angie alternative. And you can see how we compare. Everything has a meta title and a description, and we can continue to audit this. It will do alt images and everything you can think of in regards to an SEO audit. AI is going to be able to do it faster and better. So I hope you enjoyed this. I'll be adding a lot more videos, so please follow me, and I'd love to hear any feedback or questions.